Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to show you how and what a $160 computer can do today in 2019. This video is sort of directed towards one person in particular, but this will be very helpful for someone that is on a really tight budget, but is looking to build a computer that can possibly play esports games at medium settings, 1080p, and a comfortable 60 FPS. In total, this build cost me $160, and for the performance that you're getting, in my opinion, it's very impressive. Now, the good thing about it, most of these parts in the system is they're super easy to find, super cheap, especially on local deals and also on eBay. So today I'm going to be testing Counter-Strike, I'm going to be testing Overwatch, and I'm going to be testing Fortnite as they're the most popular esports games pretty much out there right now, even still in 2019. So with that said, let's get into the specs. So first up, we've got the CPU. It's an i5-2400, and that came with the Intel desktop board and the CPU cooler, as well as the G.Skill DDR3 RAM at 1333 megahertz. All up, that cost me $80. Next up, we've got the powerhouse of the system. We've got the graphics card. This is a GTX 760 2GB EVGA graphics card. Picked that up for $60 as well. Then next up, we've got the power supply. The power supply actually came for free in a PC case I bought a long time ago, so it was literally $0. It was free. And then lastly, we've got the black Thermaltake ATX case. It came for $20 and the guy was just trying to get rid of it. So I said, whatever, I'll pick it up. I can throw that in the build. And it also came with a nice little blue LED 120 millimeter fan on the rear. All up, that cost me about $160. Cheap as. So with that said, Windows is loaded up. Let's see how this baby can perform. Let's check out some games.
Look at that sexy cable management. Oh, that's so good. Fucking spaghetti cables. Alright, anyway, this is the temperatures. So, here's the motherboard here for you. Hit a max of 66 degrees. The i5-2400 hit a max of 66 degrees. Hard drive hit 32 degrees. And the GTX 760 hit a max of 79 degrees. That's because it's a blower style card. That's expected. You boost up the fan speed and you're good to go. Sorry about any noise in the background. That is someone running a hairdryer. So yeah, moving on.
Alright, so to sum up the video, essentially would I recommend you spending $160 on a system that you can't really upgrade too much. Realistically, all you can do is upgrade to 16 gigabytes of RAM and change the graphics card to possibly no higher than a GTX 1060. You probably don't want to go higher because the 2400 will bottleneck the GPU. But honestly, $160, if you're on a tight budget, this is pretty much the perfect system as long as you're not doing anything that's like ultra settings, you know, 4K, 2K. As long as you're playing 1080p and you're comfortable playing esports games and that's what you want to do, then this system is pretty much perfect for you. But $160 price to performance, you can't really complain at all, really. Like, let's be honest here. But anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, you know, drop the thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you've actually made one similar to yourself. Hopefully I've helped some of you guys understand and expect what you would get from this type of system. It's super easy to make. There's lots of parts flying around that are very similar to this. I also have a Discord. If you guys don't know, it's in the description. The link's there. Go have a look. Go join it. Go say hello. Also follow me on Twitter. And yeah, with that said, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. And I'm going to head out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.